our technical experts, Kunal Bothra as well as CA Rudramurthy as always with us. Kunal, good morning. Looks like we're not going to start the budget week on a bit of a high. There seems to be a lot more somber news coming in. Do you think it's kind of laying the foundation of a rally for a post-budget move?
Yeah, I think some sort of profit booking has creeped into the markets, and I think that could be sort of a good sign because we're getting into that overbought territory for many sectors and many indices over the last 3-4 weeks of the market rally. And I think that in that aspect, it's a good sign that the markets have trimmed off some of the gains. We've seen this this phenomena happening across the globe as well. Many of the global markets, the likes of US, Nasdaq, etc. These indices have also gone through a correction for themselves over the last couple of days. Some of them have been correcting over the last 3 to 4 weeks, the likes of Shanghai, etc. So I would believe that this is now getting back into the line of how the global markets are shaping up. But even the data on the F&O side has indicated mild bit of reversal into the open interest, unwinding of long positions. So I think on the bank Nifty there was an unwinding of just about some 7,000-8,000 contracts, and for the Nifty the net change in the open interest from the current series to the next series is around 22,000 contracts. So these are very minor numbers in terms of the the rollover week as well as the expectations towards the budget. So I think in that aspect, expecting the markets to just drift gradually onto a downside and maybe get back into some sort of a mean reversion closer to 24,000 odd mark.
Rudra, today what's going to be important is going to be the way Nifty Bank moves, given that Kotak HDFC Bank, although for HDFC Bank post the Q1 update itself, a large part of the correction already played out. But what do you think are going to be, the moves and the levels that you're monitoring on the Nifty Bank now?
Good morning. See, for me, Nifty Bank was underperforming compared to Nifty for last week, and this might continue for some more time. Now the support, after considering today's gap down, we might be just looking at 51,500 as a support. So I will definitely not advocate taking fresh short position after a gap down open. But however, one has to be very stock specific. This market moving down before budget is really good, keeping in mind that yes, the correction, whatever we are now seeing, or the profit booking is healthy enough to give a good move post budget if nothing wrong comes either on capital gain tax or if nothing happens to the super rich taxation. So if nothing extraordinary comes out which is bad for market, still this market looks in an uptrend, and I will use a dip to buy, and I'll be very sector and stock specific in this market.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.